What's up guys, Dave here, back again with another episode of Tech UnRaveled, and today I have the Mobvoi Earbuds Gesture. These guys here have a very unique feature set. There is a 6-axis motion sensor built into the earbuds, so basically you can use them completely hands-free to answer a call. Say you got bags in your hands, say you're eating a greasy burger, say you're climbing a mountain. You can answer your call with these. We're gonna get a little bit deeper into that. We're gonna test and see how good that works. We're gonna do an audio test, we're gonna do a mic test, and of course, a latency test. Sit back, relax, grab that popcorn. Let's do this. Let's go right meow. All right guys, so first, let's get this box popped. Go through it, see what we get inside. So when we open it up, let's go over here. We got our user guide and manual. What else is in there? A few stickers. All right, let's go over to the other side. You got your earbuds. It's got a cool design here. You can actually feel that. It's ridged along the sides of the earbuds. And it's a little bit different shape. The actual house of this, the design is slightly different than what we normally see. Let's put those to the side. Let's go a little deeper. Here you have your case. Now it does not pass the lid test. Come on guys, gotta make a little bit better, higher quality case. The good news though, there is USB Type-C right there. And here, have your USB-C charging cable and one set of ear tips. First things first, let's go ahead and get this paired up. All right, and we are connected. What I'm gonna do first is we're gonna go ahead and test out this feature. So I'm gonna go ahead and call myself. Let's see if we can get it to work. Well, that was pretty easy. Actually guys, you know what we forgot to do, and let's back up a step. We need to download the app here. As you can see in the app here, it's giving us instructions or kind of telling you how this works. And basically what it's saying, to answer you need to nod, and then to hang up you're gonna shake your head. So let's go ahead and test this out. I'm gonna go ahead and give myself a call. So let's try this out. I'm going ahead and I'm shaking up and down. That is answering the call. To hang up, you're supposed to go like this, and it should hang up the call. That doesn't seem to work. Answering worked really great. It picked it up pretty easily, but hanging up doesn't seem to be working. I'm not able to end the call. No, definitely is not ending the call. But the cool thing is I was able to answer without any problems, and it worked as described that way, but unfortunately we're not able to hang up or end the call here. What else is in here? You do have voice assistant capabilities, holding for 2 seconds to activate voice assistant. Just like so. Double tap to start music. Started. Double tap pause the music, and double click would answer a call also if a call was coming in. Now that we got that out of the way, hopefully there is a software update that will fix the actual rejection of a call or the ending of a call. Currently, only answering is working. All right guys, so let's jump into the audio portion of the test. Let me grab Ted over here. What's up Ted, how you doing today? At this point, what I need you to do is grab your headphones, pause this video, go sit in a quiet room so that way you can hear everything that I'm gonna hear. I'm gonna go ahead and put the earbuds into Ted now, and yeah, enjoy the sounds.
I've been on ghosts as a kid. Now I got us for the kids. Where I keep with me is sick. Keep making that money flip. I've been on ghosts as a kid. Now I got us for the kids. Where I keep with me is sick. Keep making that money flip. Way up. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. That went way up. Bend that mouse to feed. I pray that check flow stay up. All of my bros, they been my bros. I'm talking day one. I'm talking day one. Been at boys. Me and my bros do roll new keys, no deal, we been at toys. Been at checks. Me and my bros just got on God, I swear we been at next.
Alright guys, so what did you think? How did they sound? Me personally, I thought they were lacking a lot of bass. The highs were okay. They were crispy, they were clean. The mids were there, but they weren't very pronounced. Overall, the experience was just okay for audio quality. Personally, you know me, I'm a big bass head. I like a lot of bass. These just didn't have it for me. They're okay, but they have a really cool feature. I don't think they were just designed for audio or just designed for gaming or just designed for talking on the phone. The main function of these is the ability to be able to use them hands-free, which only works halfway. You can answer your calls, you can't hang up the calls. That's what I think about those. Let's go ahead and start the mic test. All right, guys, this is the sound of my voice with the Mobvoi Earbuds Gesture. Let's go ahead and introduce some ambient sound into the background again. This is the sound of my voice with the Mobvoi Gesture. What do you think? Let me know down in the comments below. All right, guys, we did an audio test. We did a mic test. Now it's time for a latency test. And of course, I'm going to do this both on iOS and on Android. So let's get into that. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and start the latency test. I'm gonna go ahead and do Android first. So let's go right now. All right, guys, and here we go with the iOS. All right, so there you have it. We did the gesture test, the audio test, the mic test, and latency test. We did all the tests today. If you like this video, guys, or I helped you in any way, smash that thumbs up. If you haven't already, subscribe and hit the bell. That way you get notified of my next video. Talk to you in the next one. Peace.